everyone, PTB Spotter here, and today we're here at Broughty Ferry. We're going to see services from Scotrail with one service from LNER. So yeah, let's get into the video. Passing through now is a Scotrail service on in ECS. (174.71) and (173.94), which was actually running Edinburgh and Glasgow to Aberdeen, which actually got cancelled between Dundee and Aberdeen. Passing through now is the 1316 Scotrail service from Glasgow Queenshay to Aberdeen. (174.11) and (174.26). Passing through now is the 1334 Scotrail service from Aberdeen to Glasgow Queenshay. Arriving in now is the 1357 Scotrail service from Aberdeen to Edinburgh Waverley. Departing out now is the 1357 Scotrail service from Aberdeen to Edinburgh Waverley.
Stand well away from the edge of platform 2. Fast train approach.
Passing through now is the 1358 Scotrail service from Edinburgh Waverley to Aberdeen. (43.138) and (43.148). Passing through now is the 1414 Scotrail service from this is Glasgow Queenshay to Aberdeen. (43.124) and (43.182). Passing now is the delayed 1455 LNER service from Aberdeen to Peterborough. (800.113) and running about 19 minutes late. Passing through now is the 1518 Scotrail service from Glasgow Queenshay to Aberdeen. (43.177) and (43.145). Passing through now is the 1537 Scotrail service from Aberdeen to Glasgow Queenshay. (158.722) and (173.94). And that's our final train for the video. So if you've enjoyed it, then thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye guys.